Welcome back. What I want to do is to look at solar photovoltaic generation, in short term photovoltaic cells. Now these are what's being used a lot now to create electricity in regards to solar panels, and you can now have these on your houses, which now provide you with a source of electricity and quite possibly a source of income. But bear in mind that the government may bring in changes which may no longer pay you for providing electricity to the grid. Okay, so be aware of that. Now let's learn how and where environmental technology systems can be applied. And you need to read this information for yourselves so you know how to apply it and where it's been applied. Now do some additional research for yourselves also. Okay, look at the HSE website, see what it says about certain elements in regards to environmental systems. Also the IE regs as well brings that into play and tells you and lays out conditions. Now don't forget also to use your on-site guide. Okay. Now I should have changed these red headings to a different color, but I'm hoping that they will come out okay. Alright. Let's hope you should be able to read them anyway on the video. Now bear in mind that in order to increase the voltage, you add them in series, and then to increase the current, you then connect these in parallel. So read the information what it says here. Okay, it's actually telling you how it's done. Okay. Look at how this has been applied. Sorry about if you notice the flashing. I happen to have the TV on behind me. I didn't realize it was going to be flashing a bit like that. It will remind me not to do that again. Okay, again, read information for yourselves. Get to know what's been asked of you. Okay? Do some additional research, do the groundwork, look into it, make it your own. Now do the multiple choice questions, because when you come to answer these questions on the online test, you must know the answers to this question. You cannot guess them, you cannot think you know it, you must know it. Okay, thank you. I hope you found this useful. Okay.